Welcome to YOGATX. My name is Savannah, and this morning we will be doing a quick 10-minute flow to wake you up and get you a bit more energized and maybe a little bit more excited about your day. So I'll start standing with a quick check-in and centering. So we'll bring one hand over our low abdomen and one hand over our upper rib cage near our heart. Go ahead and soften the weight back towards your heels. And allow the knees to bend gently, maybe noticing how the low back can soften when you do that as well. And placing your mind's eye in your abdomen and allowing it to expand out on your inhale. Gently drawing your navel back as you exhale. 3 more breaths like this. Inhaling through the nose, dropping the expansion of the breath down towards the belly. Gently drawing the belly back on the exhale. So you start to build this relax and contract rhythm with the breath that will move us through the rest of our practice. And after that 4th breath, your next exhale, open the eyes if the eyes are closed, reach your hands forward and up on the inhale, let the elbows soften and start to pitch the heart forward and up. On the breath out, shift the weight back towards the heels, bending the knees, lower the elbows towards the upper thighs, bringing the fingertips or the palms together. Start to let every joint in the body become a little less rigid. So on the inhale, you're rising up, letting the elbows bend, lifting the heart. As you exhale, sitting back, bending the knees, the hands or the fingertips come together as the elbows rest on the thighs. We'll try that 2 more times with the breath. And it's always very appropriate to picture yourself as an airbender if that helps you with your yoga practice. Stay connected to your breath and bring some ease through the body. The next time we bring the elbows down towards the thighs, drop the weight of the head towards the floor. Stay here. This is a really nice place to be, taking care of the low back, no extra weight pulling for it. Or if it would feel good, widen out the feet and take a forward fold with your hands towards the floor, dropping the crown of the head towards the mat. Shake your head out from side to side, a gentle drawing in of your chin towards the chest, and then just releasing the weight of the head forward and up. You might even be rounding the back, letting the breath press into the back of the rib cage. And then we'll slowly step the right foot back behind us, lower the right knee towards the floor, and walk your hands back until you can come to a low lunge. So you can use your left thigh to press into. Reach your arms up. Press down through the right knee. We'll untuck the right foot so that you can feel the pressure of the right foot and the right shin pressing down. As you exhale, right hand will come down. Sweep your left arm up and start to circle your hand around, almost like a windmill, dropping the weight of the head as you do so, letting the rib cage turn with you. Opening up the side of the body. And then releasing your hands down. Step your left foot back. Walk your feet back until you feel yourself in a plank pose, drawing the pubic bone up towards the navel, pulling the heart forward for a breath in. Exhaling as you bend the elbows, lay the abdomen and the low ribs down. Gather the shoulders behind you as the elbows draw together. Leave the weight of the head down as you draw the forehead almost like an inch or 2 in front of you. And then keep pulling forward through the heart, extending one leg up and back at a time. And then with your next breath in, lift your gaze forward and up. Exhale up to your knees, shifting the hips back towards the heels, dropping the chest and the forehead down. And with your next breath out, step your right foot forward. You can use your hands to come up onto the right thigh, bring yourself into a low lunge, untuck your back toes, press down through the shin and the top of the foot. Reach up towards the sky as you breathe in. Pull the pubic bone up towards the navel, ground down through the right heel. Feel the low ribs expand out and contract back with the breath. Great, we'll release left hand down. Start to windmill the right arm up towards the ceiling, over your head, and down towards the floor. Trying to drop the weight of the head here. Just mobilize the shoulder, the rib cage. We'll take one more breath in together as the arm reaches up towards the ceiling. Exhaling as the right arm spirals down towards the floor. Plant the right hand, step the right foot back. We'll tuck the toes and lift up into a downward facing dog. So I want you to imagine a dog in the morning. Of course, the downward dog shape is very similar to the stretch that we commonly see dogs do. But just think of softening the feet, softening the knees, and tilting the weight of your body in different directions, whether that's hips from right to left. You might take a cat stretch in downward facing dog. That's when you take your gaze underneath your armpit, rotating the torso from side to side. Using the motions of the breath, that expansion on the inhale and the contraction on the exhale to help you get a little bit deeper into your tissue, finds the benefit of the pose and where it lives for you. And then we'll widen our feet out. Shift the weight back towards the heels, walk your hands back, and take a ragdoll fold here, opposite hands to opposite elbows, turning the head from side to side. Great, shift the hips back. Reach your arms out wide to a T. Pull forward through the chest as you inhale, reaching the arms out to the side and over the head. Pulling the thumbs down towards the heart. We'll step the right foot towards the top of the mat and turn the toes to the left so we're in a wide-legged position. Breathe in to reach your arms over your head. Exhale, side bending to the left. Right arm reaches over the right ear. Inhale, both arms reach up. Exhale, right hand comes down, left arm reaches up and over, letting the head tilt with the weight of your torso as it shifts. Use the breath, picking the air up on the inhale, pressing the air down and over on the out breath. Finishing this round. And then coming to our peak pose, breathing in as you reach your arms out to a T. On the exhale, bend your right knee, sweep your left hand to the right knee. Hold on top of your thigh or on the outside of your shin, taking a breath in as you turn the rib cage to the right, reaching the right hand up. Finish the breath out here. And inhale, right leg straightens, left arm reaches out wide. On the exhale, transitioning right hand to left knee. Left knee will bend. Breathe in as you reach up through the left arm. Finish the exhale. Inhale, right back up through center. Arms reach out to a T. Breathing out, opposite hand to opposite knee. That right knee bends as you inhale, look up, reach up with the right arm. Finish the exhale here. And inhale, rising back up. We'll take the left side one more time. Bending the left knee, right hand comes to the left shin or thigh. Reach up with the left fingertips. Finish the breath out. Inhale, right back up, arms reach wide. Exhale, bend the knees out to the side. Shift the hips from side to side. Get a little buoyant on the feet. You might even circle the hips, letting the legs respond by straightening the legs, then bending the knees. And then we'll start to walk our feet together. Rise up to standing, come back to that awareness of where the body is in space, how the breath is moving. I'm sure there's a heartbeat you can feel now. And ending in mountain pose, reaching the hands out down and wide like there's a wall behind you and you're leaning into that wall. Drawing the head over the spine. Some ease in the knees so that the low back can lengthen. Ending on that energized note. Bringing the palms together, opening the eyes. Thanking yourself for giving yourself this time and space to just move around. It'll deeply benefit you for the rest of your day, knowing that you put something in the bank for your health and wellness, so that when people tax you throughout the day, you don't feel so worn out and fatigued from it. Namaste.